So today I'm going to be doing a frontal wig install, and I start off cleaning off the hairline. My client came with her makeup already done, so I'm just going to wipe off where I'm going to be molding the new cap and placing the glue. Now I'm going in with my Got to Be gel, and I'm laying her edges back. Now I'm going in with my Got to Be gel again, and I'm placing it all across her hairline really neatly. And then I go in with my freeze spray, and I spray that across as well. And then I have my client blow dry on cool and heat. I like them to go back and forth until it's dry. Now I'm going in with my needle and thread, and I'm sewing the back of the new cap down. I've learned that over time, if you don't, it'll slide up, and that's just doing too much. So with each client, I just do a braid going across, and I sew the back down. When the gel is all dry, I go in with the foundation color. This is her exact foundation that she uses for her face. And I just go all across the new cap where the front's gonna lay. And I blend it all in. Now I'm going in with my scissors, and I'm cutting off that excess nude cap. And then I'm gonna go back in and make sure there's no loose pieces, because when you apply the glue, you don't want the nude cap to be moving or make the glue cakey, so you want to cut all those extra little pieces off. So before I apply the glue, I like to place the wig on my client's head and make sure it's where I want it to lay. I cut the edges off around the ears and make sure everything's laying flat, and I kind of eyeball where I put my glue, and then I do my 3 to 5 layers. I like to use Bold Hold Active. I'm gonna try the Bold Hold Max soon. I just bought 2 new bottles of the Active, so that's what I'm using right now. And I know a lot of hairstylists use popsicle sticks, some use their fingers, but I like to use the rat tail comb. I've realized over time that's just what works best for me. That's just how I get the glue laying down as flat as possible. And now I'm putting on my last layer. I honestly don't even know how many layers I did. This client in particular, I know sweats a lot, so I knew I was gonna I know I was gonna go crazy with the layers, so I don't even know how many I did. I just know I did a lot. Now I'm going in with my scissors and I'm cutting off the excess lace. I like to cut in a zigzag motion. Um, when I first started doing frontals, I used to just cut straight across, and that just wasn't the vibe. That wasn't the look that I needed to be going for. So I learned that, you got to just cut in a zigzag motion so it can, camouflage into your skin. So now I'm going in and I'm parting out where I want my baby hairs to lay. And I use bedhead spray I spray it across the edges. That's another technique that I got from Beautiful Hustler. And then once I spray that across, I go in with my melt belt and I tie the hair down, and then I proceed to curling the hair. So I don't remember where I bought this curling iron from. I believe it was Ross, but I'm not sure. I think it's a 1.5-inch barrel. I've been using it for years. That's why I don't know anything on it anymore. I just wrap the hair around and I split the hair down the middle and I curl the hair going away from the face, both sides. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. And then I comb them out at the end with a wide tooth comb, and I like to use got to be spray on the curls just to give it a little hold. And as you can see, once I take that melt belt off, the lace is pretty much melted, blended. I didn't bleach the knots on this frontal because it was a 613 frontal, and I had to hand dye the roots. So I just ended up using foundation for the lace. The lace was pretty clear, so I think it was transparent. I'm not sure, but yeah, so I just used foundation. So now I'm going in and I'm cutting my baby hairs. I like to do them pretty short. When I first started, I used to do them really, really long, and they used to be fat and really ugly and just not cute. So I like to do them really, really short. And less is more with baby hairs. I use She Is Bomb goo. Yes, I use the She Is Bomb collection goo, and that's what I used to lay the baby hairs down. I like to use the comb side, just so I can make sure the hairs are exactly where I want them. Then I go in with a contour palette. This palette isn't nothing major. I got it at the hair store, and I like to do, a part a little lighter than the foundation color. And then I black spray to clean it up really nice. You just couldn't see it because my back was blocking the camera. Now I'm going in with my hot comb and just touching everything up, making sure everything looks smoothed out and neat. Um, I like to use the bedhead spray because it's not hard, and I can go in with the hot comb the hair after I even spray it. And this is pretty much the final product. As you can see, it's very much laid. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Slay by Matthew, and don't forget to subscribe.